welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Murugendra. Today we are going to discuss about changing the direction of an DC motor based on IR sensor using an Arduino Mega 2560. To complete this project, we need an IR sensor, an Arduino, and relay module, a DC motor, and an adapter, and even we need an data cable which connects the Arduino and the laptop. And to run the program, we need Arduino IDE program which codes the Arduino. The IR sensor contains 3 pins, which is VCC, ground, and output. The VCC is connected to the 5 volts in the Arduino, and the ground is connected to the ground in the Arduino, and the other put the out pin is connected to the any one of the number in the Arduino placed here. Hence I have connected to the number 5, as you can see in this video. Next, now the IR sensor is connected to the Arduino. Now we should connect the relay module to the Arduino. Hence the relay module also contains 6 pins in it, in which 1 and 4 are shorted. Here the 3 and 6 are shorted. Hence these will be connected to each other in it. Next, the module is connected to the Arduino by the pins here. You can see the pins here by the name of ground, IN1, IN2, VCC. The VCC again is connected to the 5 volts in the Arduino. You can see here where the 5 volts of the Arduino is connected to the VCC of the relay module. Next, the IN1 and IN2 are connected to the output. Here the output I have given as 11 and 12. As you can see here, these two are the output, and the ground of the relay module is connected to the ground of the Arduino. There we can see the ground of the Arduino. Next, the relay module is connected to the DC motor. The DC motor is connected to the relay module of here for the 2 pins. It is for COM2 and here the COM1. And the adapter is connected positive and the negative end. Here the negative end is connected to the 6th point and the positive end is connected to the 1st point. And the adapter is connected to the supply. Now here we have a pin which can be connected to Arduino and the laptop. And here is the software where we should write the code to run the Arduino. The Arduino is connected with the cable to the laptop, and here the Arduino and the program is written in the Arduino IDE. Now it is the program. Now let me check the direction of the DC motor. Here is the sensor. Now it is rotating in the anti-clockwise. When an object comes near to the sensor, see the DC motor turns to the clockwise direction. You can see here when there is no object in front of the IR sensor, it is turning in the anti-clockwise. Here now it turns to the clockwise direction. Hence, this was our project to change the direction of an DC motor using an IR sensor and an Arduino Mega 2560. Thank you for watching.